Okay, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zoe. This is your moment. Happy birthday to you.
Woo, woo, woo. Blow 'em out.
Happy birthday, Zoe.
That was very important.
Just put it on the table.
Good job, guys.
Good job, Z.
Anna.
It happens.
What makes you sad, Arlo?
Apparently he bit his finger.
Jason saw it.
Hey, Hannah. Hannah.
All right, you guys want some cupcakes and yogurt and fruit?
That sounds awesome. We have to finish our dinner real quick, and we will be right back.
I mean,
We're gonna finish the dinner real quick.
Caesar's doing the show. Not you.
Look at this fun set.
So you got plates in there. I saw anything else.
There are several cupcakes. We have 33 cupcakes and ice cream bowls, waffle cone bowls. I think there's like 30 of those.
We just happened right at